Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use AI to enhance your videos. Alright, so the first step is to come to Google Play Store and then search for this application. The application in this context is called AI Video Enhancer U-Tool. Okay, so you search over here and then search for AI Video Enhancer and then select this application over here with this icon. And now come and then download this application and install it. Once you're done installing it, come and then open it. So once you open it, you have to be patient until it's done loading. So once it's done loading, you can choose from a variety of options. Alright, so once you've finished creating your content and you want to AI enhance it, you come and choose this option which says AI expansion. Okay, now choose that option. So once you choose that option, give it permission to allow it to access your videos and photos. Alright, so for this case, I'll choose a video of my choice that I'm going to be enhancing. Alright, so I'll come to the recent tab over here and then I'll look for a video that I can enhance. Alright, so I think I'll choose from these ones here. I think I'll choose let me see. I think I'll choose this one here. It's more like a photo, but I just use it and then tap on OK. So once you tap on OK, you just wait for it to start loading and then you need to close that. Okay, and then tap on start. And now you can choose from what you want. If you want, you can use the free version, but the free version comes with watching an ad. Or if you want, you can use the paid version. That one comes with paying by subscribing to their upgrade. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.